Life will be so good. I will be so happy when my studies are over. I will be so happy if I find someone loving and caring. I will be so happy if this channel gets thousands of subscribers. I want all this to happen soon. But what if I get all of this and I'm still not happy? Irony is that on the path we have made to reach happiness, we are sad, scared, envious, irritated, and not satisfied. But when we reach where we want, when we get what we want, why are we still not happy? Why, after a short amount of time, a sense of dissatisfaction strikes again, and we are again after something, finding happiness. We all have tied happiness to a condition, waiting for that condition to be fulfilled so as to experience happiness. And yes, keep counting how many times I say happiness, and at the end I'll give you something that will make you happy. Now, this is not something new. We have strongly linked accomplishments with happiness, life events with happiness, objects with happiness. Trouble is that this means I can't be happy right now or until I get what I want. Why? Because there is nothing around me that can make me feel happy. And why do I need that? Because whenever I got happy, it was because of something around me, outside of me. And we may spend our whole life finding that something again and again. See how we have instructed our brains to look for a condition to be happy. That person gives me happiness. That place gives me happiness. And we continue to search happiness everywhere, in everything. But it has always been inside us. It has always been our creation. It's just that we don't know. How do you perceive things matter? The response has always been in your hand. Anything outside does not create your happiness. It just seems to do so. That is why the person who gave you happiness suddenly stops doing so. Why? Because they said something you didn't like. That is why the place which gave you happiness one day may not do so because you were disturbed inside. I am not saying that someone can't make you feel happy, only you can do so. No. Also, it's not that you can't buy something you like, you should not go to a place that you love to be in. But if I'm believing that I can or will be happy when, if, only when these conditions are fulfilled, then there is something going on here. Yes, all these things add to my happiness, but I don't depend on something or someone. There will always be something you don't have. But once our basic needs to live are met, we need to be grateful for what we have in this moment. We all have dreams, ambitions, but the purpose behind them needs to be clear. It's not that I am doing these things to become happy. Happiness is what I can experience right now. Another way to break that if-when thinking is by being aware of it and by being aware of your thoughts, and see how a thought can change your state of mind. And then know that you are more than your thoughts. This video is not about how to be happy 24/7. I think you know what I wanted to talk about. So embrace all emotions with an open heart. This is all for today, folks. You can support this channel by subscribing and turning on the notifications. Thanks a lot for joining. Take care. We'll see you next time.